Hey, welcome back to Chef Pup Kitchen. All right, today what we're gonna be doing, we're gonna be making some seared salmon. All right, very simple ingredients, not too much. All right, so without further ado, let's get this started. Okay, what I have here, I have these some salmon fillets. I already washed them and dried them, but I wanna make sure that the skin is nice and dry. All right, because once I sear them in the pan, I want the skin to be nice and crunchy, all right, instead of soggy. All right, so this part is very easy, what I'm going to do. So I'm gonna get me another paper towel and put down here, because that paper towel is nice and moist and I don't want it moist, so I want to get rid of it. All right, I got my salmon here. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to heavily salt this salmon. All right, I want to draw out more moisture, okay, on the salmon, and plus also, it's going to season it very well. All right. Because the simple ingredients: salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Okay. That's all it takes to make this seared salmon. All right. Now, I definitely want to get a nice coat of salt here on the skin. Make sure you get it all over. Okay. So what I'm gonna do with this now, I'm gonna put this into the refrigerator for about an hour. All right, and I'm gonna let that salt absorb the liquid out of the skin itself, and plus also season it. And once that is done, then we're gonna season it with pepper and garlic, and that is it. And then we're gonna start cooking it. Okay? So y'all guys stay with me, because I'm gonna put this in the refrigerator, and I'll be right back. All right, welcome back, everybody. Okay, it's been about an hour, actually an hour. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, there is a lot of liquid on this plate here, if you can see that. So what I'm gonna do, see the salt? We're gonna wipe this salt off. Get this salt all wiped off the top of the skin here, and once again, we're gonna pat them dry. Okay. Now what I wanna do, I'm gonna take each piece, just get them all wrapped up here. Get me some more paper towel. All right. All right. I'll leave that skin nice and dry. Nice and dry. I want it. Nice and dry. Right. Once again, there's a lot of liquid in here. From that salt, removing the liquid from the salmon. All right. Because I do want a crunchy exterior on my fish. Okay. Because what I'm going to do, get some of this water soaked up. Get it off the plate there. See some more paper towels. All right. That salt off. There we go. Whoop. Don't want to drop it. So you don't need to put any more salt on it, because she's been salted, and the salt has been absorbed into the flesh of the salmon. All right. So got that. All right, so give me a minute or so, because I have to clean up this area, and I'll be right back. All right, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna give it a nice, generous coating of black pepper. There we go. Nice and rubbed in there. All right. Now, I'm gonna hit it with some garlic. Oh, nice and rubbed in there. Very nice. Okay. I'm gonna get him a spin over. All right. Get a little spin over there. Now the same thing, but what I'm gonna do now, still, I'm gonna give it a nice pat. I really want this skin to be crunchy. Some kind of texture to it. Not rubbery or anything like that. All right. So, same thing with this side here. Bam. Nice rubbing. And for the garlic. Give that skin a nice good flavor. All right. If you want, you can season all the sides. If you like. Which I'm actually doing right now with the excess of the seasoning. All right, so we're gonna be moving this over to the stove, but let me get cleaned up, so y'all guys don't go nowhere because I'll be right back. All right, so what I'm doing now, I'm letting these fish hang around, or swim around, whatever you want to call it, for a little bit to let that garlic and that pepper absorb into the flesh. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna make a base for this salmon. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna chop me up some lettuce that the salmon's gonna sit on. But it's gonna be a delicious lettuce. All right, very simple, very easy. Okay, then I'm gonna add it to the bowl. All right, add it to the bowl. All right. Now I'm gonna give it a couple of tablespoons of olive oil. All right, give it a little toss with some olive oil. Right. Nice toast. That's enough right there. Now 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Get it nice and coated. Now, get my hands wiped up here. All right. Now, what I'm going to do now, get me a nice lemon here. Some lemon juice. There we go. Give it a nice good toss. Now, what I can do now, which I'm going to do, add a little, if you saw that hand, it wasn't mine. Add a little salt to it. And it's that easy, that delicious. All right. So what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna set this to the side. All right. Let me get cleaned up, my hands, and I'll be right back. All right, I got my oil nice and hot. So let's put these salmon fillets in. But you see how I'm putting it in? Just like that. Just like that. Now you're gonna let these salmons cook, because right now you're not gonna be able to move them. Let that skin cook. Let it cook. All right. Get my little area cleaned up. Done with that. And I'm just gonna let them cook. All right. I am gonna turn the temperature down. Doesn't take long. Doesn't take long at all. Just let that skin get nice and crispy. Don't try to spatula it up because you'll just mess everything up. All right, so I'll be back when I do my first flip. So y'all guys stand by because I'll be right back. All right, it's time to start to take a look at the crust on the bottom here. All right, she moved. So let's see what we got going on here. Oh yeah, that's what we're looking at. There we go. Now let me get the rest of them turned. I want to stick my hand in there. There we go. There we go. Doesn't take long to cook them. Take a little spill here. Clean that up. All right, so I'll be back when these are done. Don't go nowhere. All right, these salmon fillets are done. Okay, so I did flip them on the sides. All right. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. That's up to you. So I'm gonna turn it off. All right. I'm gonna start laying them on this cookie sheet with a wired rack. Excellent. Like I said, easy peasy. That's how easy it was. And let me move this off the stove. Get out of the way. Give me a little light down here. Right. Bring her back. And there you go. I'm gonna let these cool down a little bit. And the next step, we're gonna plate. All right, with that salad mixture that I made. That's very delicious. It'll complement it. Okay, so y'all guys stay with me. Don't go nowhere because I'll be right back. Hey everybody, welcome back. All right, it's plating time. All right, so this is how I'm gonna plate it. Okay, I have some, like I said, the lettuce. This has, like I said, olive oil, lemon juice, and a little bit of salt. Okay? So, how we're going to do this, make a little bed here. All right? And I guess we'll go with this piece here. Lay it on top. And a lemon wedge, and voila. And I have little Miss Chef Pup here. She's going to give it a taste test to tell me what she thinks. If you want to spread some lemon on the fish itself. She's supposed to be giving me an honest review, if she likes it or not.
I do like it.
Is it good?
Yes.
Is the
good.
Is the fish tender?
Yes.
Well, there you have it, ladies and gentlemen. This is seared salmon on a bed of lettuce that was prepared with lemon juice, olive oil, and a little bit of salt. So, if you like this video, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. And there goes the plate. plate is gone. And that's how good it is, all right? It's very delicious. All right, but any other way, give me thumbs up, subscribe, ring that bell. Tell your friends and family about Cooking with Chef Buck. And I definitely see y'all guys on the next video. Bye!